Hello everyone and welcome to this video.
Imagine you're the data scientist at ShopSphere, an online store that wants to make shopping smoother for everyone. The customer experience team is hoping to show shoppers quick lists of pros and cons for each product, all based on real customer reviews. Instead of scrolling through endless feedback, people will get a clear snapshot of what's great and what's not about each item. So your mission is to automate this whole process using Python. So let's go ahead and see how you can turn all that raw feedback into something truly helpful. So I am going to go ahead and bring in some powerful tools for the job. Pandas for handling your data and a couple of AI helpers from LangChain to do the heavy lifting with language. Now I am going to load your customer reviews from a CSV file and save them into a variable called reviews. Let's take a quick peek at the first few rows, just to get a feel for what your data looks like. Now let me explain how LangChain fits into this project. LangChain connects you to language models like GPT and helps you get structured answers. In this step, you're setting up everything you need to turn messy customer feedback into clear, organized summaries, so you can easily pull out the pros and cons for each product. First up, I am going to create an AI chatbot called LLM. It's set to use the GPT 4.1 mini model, with a bit of creativity thanks to the temperature setting. Now I am going to build a prompt template. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want. In this case, to turn customer reviews into a list of pros and cons. We're finishing up the prompt by making sure the AI gives you the summary in a super clear format. 2 lists, one for pros and one for cons. Next, I am going to wrap that prompt into a prompt template, so you can easily plug in any review text you want to summarize. Finally, I am going to chain the template and the AI together. Now, whenever you give it some text, it'll instantly hand back those pros and cons. Super handy. Let me tell you about the next step. Here, you're ready to actually summarize the reviews and pull out the pros and cons. This is where the magic happens. You'll use your setup to process each review and automatically generate those helpful lists that will guide shoppers in making better decisions. First up, I am going to create a shortcut function called call AI. It takes some text, sends it to your AI summarizer, and grabs the summary for you. Now you're using that function to summarize every review in your data, and you're saving those summaries in a brand new column called summary. Let's take a quick peek at the first 5 summaries, just to see how your AI did. Please take a moment to like this video, as it is going to be a great help, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once you've summarized all the reviews, it's important to save your results so they can be used on the product detail pages. By storing the pros and cons in a new file, you make it easy for the website team to plug these insights right into the shopping experience. So I am going to go ahead and save all your reviews into a new file called summarize.reviews.csv, so you can open it up later in Excel or Google Sheets. Now you've made it to the end of this project. You've just seen how to turn raw customer feedback into summaries that can really help shoppers. What other insights would you want to pull from these reviews? Maybe trends over time or suggestions for new features. Go ahead and share your ideas or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time.